Did you know that thorough hand washing can protect you from infectious diseases? It's a simple yet powerful habit. Washing hands with soap and water is essential to staying healthy. But did you know that liquid soap is more effective than bar soap, especially at work? Let's discuss how to wash your hands properly. First, wet your hands with clean, running water. Then, apply liquid soap. Rub your hands together to create lather. Don't forget to cover all areas, between your fingers, under your nails, and back of your hands. Rub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Singing a song can help keep track of the time. Next, rinse your hands under clean running water. This step washes away the dirt and germs. Don't forget to dry your hands thoroughly with a clean towel. This step is important because damp hands can spread germs more easily. Now, let's explore why washing hands with soap and water is more effective than alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Soap works by breaking down the oils that trap germs. It's essential for removing all kinds of germs, while sanitizers may not be as effective against certain viruses. Remember, this information is provided for educational purposes. Always consult a registered health professional for medical advice. In summary, washing hands with liquid soap and water is crucial for preventing illness. Follow these steps every time you wash: wet, lather, scrub, rinse, and dry. Now that you understand the importance of hand washing, make it a part of your daily routine. Share this video with family and friends to spread the word. Stay healthy.
Thanks for watching Zenvix. Subscribe for smarter health and science.